Hey everybody, it's Crystal with Be Creative. Today I'm going to show you how to make scratch art. We have a specific theme, and it's a patriotic theme for the upcoming Memorial holiday. Alright, so what you're going to need. You're going to need paper or a paper plate. I like to use a paper plate because it's nice and sturdy. You need red, white, and blue oil pastels or crayons. Either one will do. You want to use black tempera paint, a paintbrush, a toothpick, or something else that you can use to scratch into your paint once it's dry. Now grab your red, white, and blue crayons or oil pastels. I'm using oil pastels in this example. You want to color your plate or your paper any way you want. You just want to make sure that you color heavily and that the entire space is covered. You don't want to leave any white spots behind. When you're done coloring, you want to paint over your art with black tempera paint. Tempera paint tends to go on pretty dark, but it dries lightly, so you might have to do a second coat of paint to cover your red, white, and blue artwork underneath. Now it's time to scratch into that scratch art. Once your paint has dried completely, you want to take your toothpick or your pointy stylus and scratch your design into your plate. As you can still see my design underneath the paint, I only did one layer of black tempera paint to cover my design. And there you have it. Here's your patriotic scratch art masterpiece. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel so that you can make some more art with Be Creative. Thank you.